Geeksvana is your drone channel, providing news, reviews, flights, interviews, and much more.
Hey everyone, welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel, we post videos all about drones and related tech, including our 2-minute drone news series. Today, I've just taken delivery of a DJI Osmo Mobile 3, and I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you. I know it's been done, and I'm a little late, but this could be a world record unboxing. So there you have it, possibly the fastest unboxing of a DJI Osmo Mobile 3 ever. I'll be bringing you my thoughts and tips on this fun little gimbal as time goes on, and I look forward to creating some interesting content for the Geeksvana channel. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, click on the notification bell.